Wizkid just dropped an amazing album and decided to do a remake of one of the track, and the name of the track is Time. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. So I've basically just looped a section, that we're gonna be playing with. Basically, it's just the whole thing playing all through the song. So I'm just looping this part, and I've used all the need to convert the vocals, so I don't get a copyright strike. So let's listen to the vibe, guys. You're touching on my body, that's you. I know they say anybody down you. So just relax, make a pamper. Baby, you know it's so good. You messing up my mind and that's rude. You gon' push up this spread. Sure, I guarantee me no go mess up. You know, baby, I big flexer. Bouncing up my body like a rodeo. Baby, come and feel you love me, know you 247 for the yeah, so basically just the same thing playing all through, and from what I've played, I'm sure I did well. The most stressful part of this vibe was the drums. I think maybe it's P2J that made the beat. It has this realistic kind of drum groove going all through the vibe, and I'm just gonna solo the drums. A lot going on the drums. That's what's giving it that groove, and I'm just gonna show you guys. So the first thing I started with was just trying to get like the exact kind of kick bounce, and we have this kick, a very very punchy kick. Yep. Then we go into the percussion. We have this percussion, and this is what it sounds like. Yep. So then we have an open hat. And the open hat is from P2J Park. So because I assume it's P2J that made the drum groove, I should just go to his park to get most of the one shot that I was using on this remake. All right, so then the next thing is this percussion groove. So it goes like this. Then we have this tambourine, also from P2J Park. Then we have on that percussion. So it's just more of percussion. This is what it sounds like. Then I just added some, some shaker groove to give it that movement that you hear on it. So then I added this percussion groove. Then I just layer it on that shaker. And then I call this another percussion. So it's a lot of percussion groove, just to give it that realistic feel, to give it that groove. And the next thing was the chords, and for the chords I use Omnisphere and Sky keys, so, and this is what the chord progression sounds like. Nice. So some nice simple chord, and for this I'm using for the Sky keys, I'm using smooth pluck, and let me just show you guys the chord progression. This is what the chord is playing. Nice. So it's the same thing, the Omnisphere is playing, and for the Omnisphere I'm using jazz guitar pick A, and it sounds like this by itself. Yeah, so I'm just combining the two of them, blending it together to have something like this. Nice. So with the drums and the chord progression, we have, have this vibe. Nice groovy, has this nice chord progression to it. Then for the bass, I'm just using Trillion bass to kind of play exactly what was played, but I think it was like a live bass that was played, but I just tried as much as possible to achieve something close to that, and we have this vibe, give it like that realistic kind of bass groove. We have the slide too. So just giving it that realistic feel. So with the chord and the bass, we have this. Yeah, so with the drums and everything, we have this. And that's basically like everything. But you know, there was this chord progression or this little melody that started the song, and something like this. Let me just solo that part. Yeah, so this is just what started the whole vibe. And for this, I'm using Lounge Lizard and Act Up. So, and this was just what the melody is playing. It's just like a 2-note chord progression. You know, that's like everything on the song. So most songs you hear out there, you think they are complicated. Trust me, guys, they are, you know, just, you know, little going on, but lots of percussions, lots of, you know, effort on the percussion to make it, you know, sound like a lot is going on. So let me just, you know, play everything. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, guys, so I hope you definitely got something from this. And like I said, if you're in the Patreon, you're definitely gonna get access to this FLP, so you can, you know, look at it in depth and see what's actually going on. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.